What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're going to be doing our super bright LED trunk light on this Tesla Model S. Now if you saw our Tesla Model Y LED light install, this is going to be very similar to that process. We're just going to need to drop down this trim panel in the trunk and we're going to get access to the light. So we're going to go ahead and jump into that and show you the process. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is start here on the side and get behind this carpeted trim panel, and this is just going to simply unclip. And we can just pull this down with our hands. And this whole thing is going to drop down. And once you get this trim panel down, there's going to be two electrical plugs we're going to need to disconnect. One's going to be for the LED light, and this is just going to pull straight out. And also your trunk close button right here, we're going to need to disconnect this as well. It's going to also pull straight out, and then we have our whole panel off. All right, so now we're just gonna be working with our loose trunk trim panel here. We're gonna need to locate this black box right here. This is where your stock LED light is gonna be. And all we're gonna need to do here is find these plastic tabs, and we're just gonna push these out of the way with our fingers. And at the same time, pull up on this plastic box. All right, and we're just gonna get that free from the trim panel. All right, so now that we've got our stock LED light free, we're gonna take this plastic box here, and this is actually gonna open. This is a little door right here. There's gonna be a little plastic tab on each side of this box, and we're just gonna push these in and kind of pry this top door open. And a little flathead screwdriver will be perfect for doing this. So this is gonna swing open just like that, and then we're gonna remove the stock LED light board. We do not need this anymore. So now let's take your trim panel and flip it over to the front side, and we're just going to remove this lens cover. It will simply just pull straight out. All right, and now what you're going to do is, if you take your newly gutted light box cover, you're going to notice right here there's going to be 3 tabs, and this is going to correspond with these 3 tabs on the new LED light. So what we're going to do is feed the LED light in the front side of the trim panel. This is going to be installed back in the stock location, and it's going to simply clip into the stock light, and this is what's going to hold it. So this is going to fit together like that, and in this space here, that's where our trim panel is going to be sandwiched in between the 2 of these. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is slip the trim panel back over to the back side, and we're just going to pop this stock LED light box back into place where it goes. It's going to clip right back into place like that. You want the door facing down towards the bottom of the trim panel. And now from the front side, we can take our new LED light and feed it through the hole where we removed the stock lens cover. Pull our wire through. And now we just want to make sure our tabs line up. So it's going to be the 2 tabs on the top and 1 tab on the bottom. And you're going to want to hold your light box as you push the new LED in from the front side. And it's just going to clip right in to where those tabs are. And now this is going to be held in very tight and secure. So now we can just take our wire and pull it down towards the bottom right corner and close this back up. All right, and now we're ready to just put this trim panel back into place, connect our wire for our LED light and our wire for our trunk close button, and we'll be all finished with the install. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do once I get the panel lifted back up is get our LED light connected. And these are just gonna push together. And the light should come on. If your light doesn't come on right away once you get this connected, it may be because your liftgate's been open for too long. We found that if you fully close the liftgate and open it back up, the light will come on. And then we just need to get our gate open close button plugged back up. And then it's as simple as just getting the clips on this panel lined back up. I'm gonna get it slid over the latch assembly first. And I'm gonna start at the back corner and just start getting these clips clipped back in. So just go around the whole edge of the panel, make sure all the clips are pressed in. And it should be nice and flush with the edge of the liftgate once you have it all the way seated. All right, so that is going to do it for our install of the Sportline Mega Bright 8X LED trunk light on this Tesla Model S. You can now enjoy a much brighter trunk area, and as always, you can find these at tsportline.com. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you're not already, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.